Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. So you have a great product at hand for selling. You have hosted your own website or put up your product on sale at e-marketing shopping platforms like eBay or Amazon. Your pricing is competitive and your product packaging is great, but still the number of buyers is abysmally low. Have you wondered why this is happening to you? If you're going through the same thoughts, or if you're planning to put up your product on an e-commerce platform, then stay with us. Well, we all agree to the fact that in some aspects, e-commerce selling scores over normal selling like lucrative discounts and easy return policies, but we cannot feel, touch, or look at the quantity of the product and decide to spend money on it like in normal window shopping. So it's imperative for the seller to market the product in such a manner on an e-commerce platform that the buyer not only gets the best deal, but recommends the bought product, also creating more market for the product. So, what is the secret ingredient that generates phenomenal sales? What is it without which 99% of e-commerce products will never sell? It is persuasive copy. What exactly is persuasive copy? In simple words, it's a content that is designed to persuade people to do things. Persuasive copy is used every day, even without us noticing, like online, in direct mail packages, magazine and newspaper. In normal shops, a customer is always greeted by a salesperson who helps a customer in selecting and to an extent influences his decision to buy a product and turns a potential customer into a confirmed buyer. The salesperson, on the basis of a customer's appearance and body language, can judge how well the sales pitch is going and modify his approach and voice pitch accordingly. However, the same cannot be done in an online portal. Imagine going to a website and browsing for a product and getting at least 10 types of the same product. Which product would you choose or shortlist? My guess would be the one with beautiful pictures, crisp specifications, and of course other customer reviews. This means that the seller whose product is selling the most has perhaps invested in a strong persuasive copy. Let's see what should be the features of a strong persuasive copy. Number 1, it should talk about the benefits, why the product is required, and the solution that your product is offering. If it can touch an emotional chord with the buyer, it's all the more better. For instance, if you're introducing towels made from bamboo, highlight how softer they are from other normal cotton towels and in turn good for skin, how they are eco-friendly and helping conservation of nature. Since Go Green is the latest fad, people will definitely relate to the concept. Number 2, showcase your product in the most brilliant manner. Nowadays, with 360-degree angle photography, DSLR cameras, and picturesque backgrounds, one can convert their product into a masterpiece. An alluring picture attracts all. So, invest in good photography so that your product stands out, especially if your product has a lot of competition. Number 3, customer reviews are extremely important. They're like word of mouth. A good review can definitely boost your sales and also gives you an insight from a customer's perspective. A negative review, on the other hand, should also be taken in a positive light as it highlights the shortcomings of the product and gives you a chance to improve on the product. For instance, if you have ever checked reviews page of an online seller platform like Amazon, you would find seller interacting and sometimes handling the grievances of that customer. Incidentally, one would find the highest selling products are the ones that have maximum reviews. Customers can also be encouraged to write reviews by offering them coupons or discounts on their next purchase. Number 4, product specifications. The entire specifications of the product should be mentioned, like the weight, length, breadth, height, material used, precautions, etc. And make sure that whatever is mentioned is absolutely correct, leaving no room for doubt in a potential customer's mind. Number 5, optimize your checkout page. Ensure that there is a double check while making the payment, assuring messages that the payment is secure. It should also inform the customer about the product delivery date, and of course, thanking the customer for purchasing your product goes a long way in customer satisfaction. Some sellers even upsell their other products when a customer puts their product in the checkout cart, informing how well their other product complements the one they are about to purchase, and additional discounts the customer would get.
Warehouse. Do your ads and leads generation. We ship your products to customers and collect the payment on your behalf. Get your money by any convenient method.
That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any amazing videos from us.